CRIS 4, Supervision Instruction 5223. Chapter 4, Guaranteed and Viable Curriculum. What is guaranteed and viable curriculum? This phrase is basic guidelines for every school across all subject matters. Every student is given a chance to succeed in every class, no matter the subject area or grade level, through the entire school. The same information and materials should be presented throughout these courses. This material shall not encompass so much information that success cannot be obtained. This leads to commonality and equality. Educators are given time and resources to accomplish this mission. Level 3 of the HRS states that there is only refined and only necessary materials within a subject matter. 6 leading indicators of Level 3 of the HRS model. 3.1. All presented material and examinations that strictly follow state and district guidelines. Within this indicator, 3 things must be considered. These 3 areas are intended, implemented, and attain curriculum. The intended curriculum is what is mandated. The implemented is what is desired and attempted. And attain is what curriculum is actually being taught and achieved. In the pursuit of high achievement, schools conduct audits to gauge the enactment and effectiveness of their programs. Standards are evaluated for implementation through pre- and post-tests. It is important for each team to pinpoint what standards are being followed and implemented. This shows validity toward desired curriculum. Random work can be gathered and evaluated for effectiveness. 3.2. The work that is mandated is refined to a point that teachers can cover the appropriate material. It is important that teachers teach the intended material and not just go over it or skim. It is important to teach in detail the standards that are deemed most imperative. Other material is not unimportant, but less necessary. This can be done at the district level through teaming efforts. Heffelbauer, Ho, and Warwick, 2014, suggests that teachers use their best judgment and this material will be evaluated for acquisition. This information must be tested and analyzed for effectiveness. Taking teacher surveys can offer insight and feedback for needed and desired curriculum. 3.2. Every student is to be given the chance, have the right to be presented, and learn the desired material. This material must be guaranteed to be effective and essential. Within the same school, there must be continuity across grade levels at the elementary level and subject areas in the secondary levels. This establishes validity and cooperation. This can be done through the use of word acquisition and through intellectual questioning. Students can even examine themselves in high order thinking. In teams or PLC, teachers can identify the line of questioning that will be used across every corresponding class. Success can be monitored through teachers submitting and sharing their questions that will lead to higher order thinking. 3.4. Each school needs to create ways and means to evaluate if every student is successfully obtaining the intended knowledge within their classes. Establishing school-wide SMART goals are becoming a common and effective means to set marks for success. This must be clear and concise goals for achievement. SMART goals can be shared between teachers and within the entire school environment. SMART goals offer a means and a path to where you want to go, and they're very detailed to help every teacher move forward. Progress should be able to be shared quickly and how it pertains to each subject matter. 3.5. Every school must look at all data, break it down, and reflect to check for positive advancement in school initiatives. Marzano, 2018, states that three types of assessment should be utilized. Classroom assessment should be conducted regularly by the teachers through a wide variety of means and techniques. Teachers can offer daily questioning, writing samples, essential questions, class exit tickets, or common testing evaluations. Interim assessment, which offers a progress report toward the correct path. Year-end assessment, which gives to a total picture of final acquisition. By teams creating and using these assessments and their scores and data can be shared for comparison and reflection. As school administrator, it is very important that their progress points are examined and broken down. 3.6. When it is determined that individuals need help, a personalized program and initiative are created to help their goals. The use of any program can be evaluated based on progress as a whole and helping those students that are having issues. RTI programs have shown some progress and advancement. This program has changed and others need to have been identified for success. There needs to be a harmonious merger of school-wide and classroom interaction. The use of PLCs have connected these two areas and established continuity. Being adaptable to the needs of each individual can create a means for their individual accomplishment. This can be performed collaboratively to reflect and assess. Offering assistance to any and all students can lead to school-wide buy-in and progression. This should be a goal of every educational institution, no matter the level. Administrators should monitor and adjust as they see fit to create this type of open and helpful environment. Level 3 transformations. Creating an environment where expectations are set high and vision is set up and established for a path for student success. Teachers offer essential content through vocabulary and questioning. They are monitored at regular intervals for acquisition and offered assistance where and when needed. This will lead to higher achievement and student success.